In the realm of strategy and intellect, few can rival Ayanokoji Kiyotaka from Classroom of the Elite. His ability to manipulate situations and people with precision is unmatched. Today, we reveal 6 of his most effective manipulation methods. Prepare to witness the art of subtlety and control. First, master the art of observation. Ayanokoji's sharp eyes missed nothing. By meticulously observing those around you, you can gather valuable information about their habits, weaknesses, and knowledge is power. Use what you observe to anticipate moves, influence decisions, and stay 10 steps ahead. Second, harness the power of strategic silence. Ayanokoji often remains silent, allowing others to reveal their intentions and thoughts. In a world where everyone rushes to speak, silence can be your greatest weapon. Let others underestimate you. Silence creates an aura of mystery, compelling them to fill the void with information you can exploit. Third, employ calculated deception. Ayanokoji is a master of creating believable lies and half-truths. He uses deception to mislead, manipulate, and achieve his goals without raising suspicion. Deception is a delicate art. Ensure your lies are intertwined with truth, making them delve into psychological manipulation. Ayanokoji understands the intricacies of the human mind. By identifying emotional triggers, he can manipulate feelings and reactions to bend out. Use psychology to plant seeds of doubt or loyalty. Emotions are powerful tools in the hands of a master manipulator. Fifth, practice social engineering. Ayanokoji adeptly navigates social hierarchies, understanding the dynamics and power structures at play. He ingratiates himself with key individuals, gaining influence and adaptability is crucial. By understanding and manipulating social networks, you can orchestrate events from behind the scenes. Finally, Mr. Control Chaos. Ayanokoji often creates chaos to destabilize his opponent. Amid the confusion, he maintains control, guiding events to his desired outcome. In chaos, others falter. Your calm, strategic mind will shine as you navigate the storm you've created, emerging as the unchallenged. Observation, silence, deception, psychology, social engineering, and controlled chaos. These 6 methods are the keys to Ayanokoji's unparalleled manipulation. Harness these techniques, and you too can wield influence with the precision of a true mastermind.